Good morning everyone and welcome back to another vlog. So it is Monday morning. I woke up pretty early because I have toothache. One of my wisdom teeth are coming through. I already thought I had a wisdom tooth on this side. Clearly I don't because one's growing. So maybe it's my last one, but it's literally so painful. I'm in so much agony. But it woke me up, I guess, so there's always that. All I've done so far is wrap up a couple Depop parcels, which are just down there. And I've just double checked that my assignment got sent through last night. So I didn't vlog yesterday because I wanted a chill day because we'd gone out Saturday night. And I also needed to keep rereading my Guatemala journal because the deadline's today. So I sent that all off and I've just double checked that it's all gone through this morning and it's all fab. So fingers crossed I get a good grade in that. I'm really hoping for a high 2-1 or a first because I put quite a lot of effort into that journal and I feel like I found some really good resources that helped back up a lot of my opinions and thoughts. So fingers crossed for me. But yeah, I'm just sat here planning my day ahead. I'm going to try and film some videos before my lecture at 1. So I need to get cracking doing my makeup and stuff. Making myself look a little bit more presentable because I feel a lot more better in myself when I am. And then lots of like bloggy bits I need to do this morning. And then my plan is after 2, when I get back here after my lecture, I crack on with my project list. Yeah, dissertation shit. I can't believe I'm doing this. Like, I never thought that it would come when I'm actually doing my dissertation, if you know what I mean. Like, when you start uni, you're like, oh my god, dissertation in 3rd year. But you can't really ever imagine yourself being in your final year of education, or potentially final year of education. It's just very weird. I'll get over it, it's fine. No, I've done my makeup and I'm just about to film a video. Me and Megan just procrastinated for about a good, how long would you say?
Like 45 minutes.
Yeah, a good 45 minutes trying to think of all the American states. And I used to be pretty good at it because I remember me and my friend Jess at school used to do it all the time. And I used to do it just on my own because I'm fucking sad. But we got 32, which is not too shabby, I think.
Yeah.
Just 32, and then we had to search. So we're gonna make it a thing on Monday morning to do general knowledge and to try and remember all the states. So yeah, that's how we've been procrastinating. And I'm just about to film a video. I'm gonna be doing like a whole video about like Instagram sponsorships and like stuff that I've learned from doing it. Obviously I'm not like a fucking professional in it, but I feel like a lot of people are really confused as to how they work, and I just sort of want to explain it a bit more because a lot of people who don't know that world very well sort of have a lot of like misconceptions and shit. So I sort of want to explain it properly because I don't feel like anyone has. And Megan's gonna be my little side bitch. Yay. We're a bit close there, aren't we? Right, so I've just finished filming my video. It actually went really well. Like, I'm very excited to edit that. I'm gonna hopefully get it up tonight, maybe? Fuck it, tonight or tomorrow. Really interesting to film and like listening to all of your guys' questions and stuff. Sorry for my ratchet hair, but I also don't care. I am now just about to go downstairs. I'm gonna make some lunch and then head to my lecture, and then I think me and Meg are gonna spend the rest of our day shock in Cafe Nero. But you couldn't see that coming, could you? So little change of plan. I was gonna make lunch, but we've just remembered the Waggers. There's like a Waggers van that's going around to like loads of different cities. And I think they're giving out free wagamamas, or maybe discounted, I don't really know. But yeah, the van is outside the SU at the minute. We've just seen it go on and we completely forgot that it was happening. So that's where we're going. We're going to head to the uni a little bit earlier, try and get some food, and then I'm gonna go to my lecture. So we'll see if we can get hold of some, or whether they've already sold out. got 3 vegan udon pots, and we can also try and win a voucher, so we're going to post it on Insta. Oh my god, it's really zoomed into your guys' faces. Yum. Oh, Hat's just got her hair done and it looks amazing. Can you please? I mean, we've just come for a Cafe Nero just after our lecture. What was our lecture on?
It was on
Taphonomy, but I still don't know how to define it.
No, if you asked me what it was,
I'd be like, I don't know.
something to do with bones, some insects.
Yeah, and stuff. But yeah, not too bad. It could have been a worse lecture. But we're treating ourselves for managing this 1 hour day with a Cafe Nero. And I'm looking at food. It's time lapse time. We're just going to the library. I've had my lecture, as you probably saw, and yeah, we've just been in Cafe Nero doing some work, and I've been trying to get some ideas down for my dissertation, which is really overwhelming. But yeah, we're just going back to uni because Megan needs to print something out at the lib. Anything interesting?
No, it's my return label.
That is literally what I use the library most for. I hate myself. And then we're going to go to Primark because Lissy Roddy showed like
some turtlenecks
and she's a real influencer because we're just about to go buy them.
But
Consumerism. Me and Meg got caught in the rain on the way back. We just tried some joggers on from Primark because we just said that we really wanted some more like cozy clothes and stuff. We went to the men's section. There were actually some really nice joggers and like colours and stuff in there, and I really fancied a black pair of joggers and like another creamy sort of pair. And the two that I picked up were really good, but they were in an XL. I was like, oh, they're going to be massive because they're men's, and they actually like fit quite tight, and I was like, that's a bit odd. And obviously like women have like curvier, like some women have curvier figures. Obviously like a lot of men's figures go like straight down, so that's probably like one of the reasons for it. But also like, I don't know, they just didn't sit right. They were like really fleeced and cozy on the inside though, so if anyone's into that, definitely check them out. They're only like £5 and they're in the men's section. The men's section's always cheaper, which is so frustrating. But yeah, we literally got soaked walking back in the rain, so I've taken all my makeup off because it was absolutely ruined. However, the Urban Decay Perversion mascara that I've been using is waterproof, so I had no eye makeup running down, which was fab. Got this like little dry patch here under my eye. I need to start using my eye cream again, soothing my dryness. But yeah, just back in some cozy clothes. I'm gonna go make some food because I'm starving and I've only had a free udon little pot of noodles today, and that's not good. Right, so I think I'm gonna head to bed. Before I go, I thought I'd have a little chat to you about all my project stuff and what I've got out of today. So I had my lecture earlier on taphonomy and burning that I think me and Neve spoke about when we were in Cafe Nero. I'm knackered. Cafe Nero earlier, like insect damage on bones. We're going to be doing burning later on in the week, I think, like burnt skeletal remains. Yeah, we just worked on like lots of bits and pieces, some stuff that we went over, like the different stages of decomposition of a human body. So yeah, that was really interesting. After that, I started working on my project list and like trying to narrow down question ideas to propose. The deadline's next week, and then we're obviously going to get split and given supervisors, and it's going to be a bit crazy. So yeah, I'm not really looking forward to that, but I did get some good ideas down earlier, and Megan helped me, to be honest, because I want to do, I think I spoke about this before on my vlogs, I want to do a paper-based dissertation because I don't really like lab work at all. Like, if anything, I will get like surveys rather than like an actual full lab-based experiment, because I just don't enjoy that, and I don't want to do a dissertation like a lot, like 10,000 words on something I don't enjoy. Try and incorporate some of my interests somehow into forensic science. And I think I'm going to talk about, well, I'm hoping I'm going to propose the idea, something to do with like general discrimination, like racism, gender inequality and stuff, and like forensic science. So I'm going to have to propose that idea. I don't want to give away too much because I don't want anyone to steal my ideas just yet. I'll wait until I get them approved and stuff. But yeah, it's been tricky to try and narrow down what I want to do and try and think of like a title or like an idea that I can propose. So yeah, at least I got it started today, which is really fab. And yeah, I've got a lot of things in the pipeline, lots of events and bits and pieces coming up that I think you guys will really enjoy. Just had a nice chat with a few people. I've got plans with some girls on my management, plans with girls I've wanted to meet for ages in London. So yeah, the next few vlogs should be really sick. I'm heading to London tomorrow because I have an exciting event Wednesday that's literally mad. So yeah, should be fun. And in tomorrow's vlog you'll see me getting a tattoo, so I really hope you enjoy that. Make sure to hit a thumbs up if you've been enjoying the uni vlogs. Subscribe down below if you're new. Let me know how you're doing in the comments below and how you're getting on in life, work, uni, whatever. And I will chat to you all in my next vid. Bye.